Hi, today I'm going to show you how to insert bar chart in Google Slides. So for example, we have here this presentation. We need to open the slide where we want to insert a chart. So for example, I select first one slide and then I need to go to Insert tab. I need to go to Chart Settings, and here we have something like bar. We need to select this option. And here bar chart will be successfully generated in the presentation. But if we want to edit this chart, we need to click on this one icon with 3 dots. And here we need to select open source. Then Google Sheets will be successfully displayed here. So now we can edit this chart. For example, I will type here names. I will type here Adam. I will type here maybe Julia. I will type here maybe John. And here maybe Philip. After that, I will modify the headers. So for example, I will type here biology, and here maybe I will type chemistry. And of course, it is number of points from biology and chemistry for each person. Of course, we can edit the header on the chart, so I need to click double time on it. And for example, I type here number of points. Then I click somewhere outside of this chart and I need to go back to Google Slides. How you see, the chart is not updated yet, so we need to click on this one option to update this chart. And now our chart has been successfully displayed on Google Slides. So in this way you can add bar chart in Google Slides. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if you solve a problem.